Hey, how are you? So I'm looking for an item that's supposed to be in stock. So today, we're going to Ikea to actually get a entertainment system to go right here under the TV. So that's the errand for today. Go to Ikea, pick that up, and yeah, kind of do something with this space right now. Kind of get it together.
Why would you ever have someone pay these?
So first of all, IKEA mad packed today. Couldn't even get in. What I'm supposed to say? Extremely packed. But people really standing at the door waiting to get in. Like it's a shoe release. It's a new Jordans. But as far as what we need today, or what I'm looking for, we uh we should be able to get it. It's only two in stock though, but hopefully ain't nobody else trying to come get it. So we about to see. We gotta find aisle 7. Aisle 7 like B18 I think it was. Where you going? To get the buggy. Oh, that's cool. So aisle 7, bin 18. Ooh. Here you go, right here. The all see shit. Alright, hold it. Hey, how are you? So I'm looking for an item that's supposed to be in stock. 503-376-98. Yes.
Oh, it says they have one, so it may or may not have it. But you can check aisle 7, then 18.
Yeah, I just left them over there, so if it's not there, it's like nowhere else. Alright.
Hold up 1 second. It shows you should have someone back in on Thursday.
On Thursday?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Oh. So they're out. They should have some back in on Thursday, so I don't know. Maybe I'll find something else. But not really though. We'll see. So we made it back to the crib. Unfortunately, wasn't able to actually pick up the TV stand for the new office. They were all sold out, but it's all good though. Apparently, they'll be getting more back in on Thursday, so we'll try again later this week. But yeah, that'll do it for today's vlog. One good thing that did come up today is that we now have home pods for the crib. But that'll do it for today's video, man. You guys enjoyed the vlog. Appreciate you all hanging out with me. Make sure to hit that like button if you do. And yeah, I'll see you all later in the next one. Peace. Not just one, not two. We have 3 of them. Yeah, they say you could link them up or sync them all together to be throughout the house. So we got some downstairs and upstairs. So.